Beautiful home in the Agoura Hills area, one that is really worthwhile taking a look at. Here's the beautiful entrance as we begin to go gradually inside, and here's the view. I mean, the entrance is spectacular, I would say. Let me show you now the inside of the home itself. This is when you come inside, and there's a lot of light, as you can see. And here's the dining area. Here's the view to the outside from here as well. From the dining area, you can see, and I'll be taking you now gradually into the kitchen area as well. Here you can see. Here's the view of the outside, and I'll be showing you the kitchen next as well. As you can see, you have some magnificent views in the distance.
Oh, that too. Oh, you did? Okay.
Before I show you the kitchen,
Are you okay? Yeah, we've had 3 meetings.
and of course behind here there will be a garage as well. But I want you to take a look at this knob that you see here. This is really classical and well maintained. In the distance will be your bathroom, and here will be a shower area. I mean, not shower area, a laundry area. So here is your laundromat area, and here is your kitchen with an informal dining area, and this is your kitchen. Now let me show you what you'll be looking at outside, and this is what you get to view out of your kitchen. Do not worry about the food, of course. I don't think the food will be coming with the house, but I just want to show you what the sink is like. Things may not be brand new, but they are factored in. But as you can tell, it is well maintained. Now I'll be taking you upstairs. As we are going upstairs, this is an area that you could appreciate. This is the loft, as you can see as you're coming up the stairs. Let's go into a room, and what everyone is really loving is when you look out from the room, you have beautiful views. I want to take you into the master bedroom. This is beautifully done up. I mean, this is a massive room in my opinion. You know, where you see the screen right now, some homes like this used to have what is known as a double fireplace. This is the view from behind the screen, and of course down there will be the bathroom area. Adjacent to that is the bathroom, and that's your walk-in closet. Quite large, I would say. Anyway, I'm sure you made her with Rodeo Realty, and I look forward to hearing from you. These are what I would call $1 million home with, of course, $1 million views. I appreciate the selling agent allowing me to look at this home. And should you have any questions regarding this home or any other home for that matter, please don't forget to give me a holler. I look forward to hearing from you. Wishing you a great realty experience. Take care.